Creation Syrah Grenache, a well-endowed Rhone-style blend with intense flavors of ripe plum, white pepper, tapenade and umami. Pairing ingredient is licorice powder. Let's look at mood and experience. The licorice root is not only a natural soothing tonic, it also conjures up childhood memories. This is pure alchemy with Syrah Grenache. Remember to listen to the musical riffs and reverb. The licorice accentuates the length and depth of the wine and provides a wonderful resonance with the Syrah Grenache.